Hey everybody, my name's AJ Reynolds, and I will be instructing the business and individual update with Kathryn Keane in Las Vegas.
Hi, I'm Kathryn Keane, and I've been an NATP member for forever and a day. And I'm going to be working with AJ Reynolds on the individual and business update session.
We are going to discuss the hot topics of what is available at the current time and get everything up to date so you can bring back to your practice and help your clients better understand all the different changes. We will briefly be discussing what updates there are in relation to the Corporate Transparency Act and how the final regulation should come out by the end of the year, and how it's vital that we get that information to our clients and with the attorneys. We're going to discuss the 1099K and the reporting and how that's probably going to cause a little bit of a hiccup during tax season. We're going to give you updates from the Infrastructure Act for virtual currency, what's new there. We're going to discuss, of course, the hot topics, worker classification, crowdfunding, and then we're going to discuss everything that will also give us a headache is the K2 and K3 reporting requirements. That is going to be happening. We had it delayed for a year, but we're going to discuss who we're able to elect out of it during 2021, what 2022 will bring. We'll briefly look at the Form 7203 and the basis of the S-Corp, and we'll be briefly discussing the new proposed regulations of the required minimum distribution and upon beneficiaries and the 10-year rule and what's happening there. But it's a do not miss session, so you can go back and provide the vital information and provide service to your clients that you already are doing.
Our session is looking at update material, which is not just whatever tax laws have been passed, but rather what the IRS has said about some of the more recently passed items. So the IRS is still writing regulation, believe it or not, on the Secure Act and on tax reform, as well as the CARES and the CAA, those items that are still impacting. And we'll be addressing those changes and those clarifications. And there's some new items that are coming along. We'll be talking about the things that no longer apply, so that for those that have clients on extension that are thinking they have time to do this or time to do that, they really don't. So we'll be dealing with all of that. And AJ and I have had several meetings working on this. So we want it to be relevant to all of our members. And don't let the word business scare you. When you're sitting there and you're looking at this update, I don't want you to thinking, oh, they're going to be talking about business stuff. It doesn't apply. You want to remember that your business filer is also your Schedule C filer and your Schedule E, your rental client, the small mom and pop exterminator, visiting nurse. They're a business client. So don't think that we're going to be up there yapping about the partnership audit regime or one of those things. It's really relevant. And actually, it's almost negligent not to grab every update class you can possibly get, particularly with the sands constantly shifting. We have no idea when and if Congress is going to wake up and do something with the Building Back America More Beautiful and More Powerful Than It's Ever Been Before bill. So we have no idea. So definitely make time for this class. It's definitely worth it.
The Flamingo, it's called the Link Promenade. It's a place to go that has entertainment. It's called the Brooklyn Bowling Alley, which has live band, and it is a $2 beer or cheaper sodas. It's a unique place that's kind of hidden and a lot of people don't know about. So go over between the Link and the Flamingo, called the Link Promenade, and check it out.
Well, when you're in Vegas in July, and this is not just for the girls on the call, it's for everybody. Bring moisturizer, and make sure you hydrate yourself. I'm the vampire. I don't leave the hotel except until the sun sets. And, I look like a fish half the time because I'm all greased up and got lip balm on, but it's serious. It's really, really serious. When in Vegas, hydrate, moisturize. That's it.